Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video let's discuss about the another design principle, that is KISS. So KISS stands for keep it simple stupid. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, keep it simple stupid. So as the name suggests, keep it simple stupid, the KISS principle, it basically states that keep your things simple. Now some developers, or as a techie, we have a tendency, or we have a habit of creating complex things, okay, like complicating the things. So this principle basically says that take a problem, okay, and just solve it simply. Don't just over engineer it, or don't just make it complex. Okay, so if anything can be solved using a simple thing, just do that. Don't just over engineer to show off your coding skills or anything. So KISS basically means keep it simple stupid. So we have seen two principles: dry, do not repeat yourself; KISS, which means keep it simple stupid. Now next principle that comes to our list is Yagni. As you can see here, Yagni. So Yagni basically stands for you aren't gonna need it. Okay, now what is this? See, when you develop softwares or when you design systems, we sometimes over engineer it. Okay, let's take an example. Let's say you are building your startup. Okay, so you are building a SaaS based product for your startup, and do you really think that on the first day, or maybe for the first few years, you gonna hit the million subscribers? Obviously that's not possible, right? I hope you get, but that's not possible easily, correct? So when we develop softwares, just do that thing that is required. Now let's say you give me a task to build some software, and I spend a lot of time in optimizing it for millions and billions of users, which I'm not gonna need it soon, correct? Maybe at some point of time I need that, and I will build that again, right? So it basically says that do only thing that is needed. Okay, so you aren't gonna need it. Now see, what they are writing is any work that's only used for a feature that's needed tomorrow, meaning losing effort for features that need to be done in the current iteration. So just do that things that are required now. Don't waste your time in doing things that you need in your future, or maybe you aren't gonna need it. So Yagni, you aren't gonna need it. Okay, so these were the two principles that I wanted to show you in this video, and these are theoretical, like there is no code basically possible around it. So you know what is KISS, keep it simple stupid, and Yagni, you aren't gonna need it.